Hi guys, oh my god, I missed you people a lot. For 2 weeks I was MIA because I had fever, and now I'm feeling better, but my throat there's still an ache. But I don't want to lag this video, and I have to take rest. So without further ado, let's get started. Now today the makeup look I'm going to do is like a teenage festive makeup look. So this makeup look contains a less amount of products and it is very affordable too. So you don't have to spend a lot to get that festive glam. So first I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm going to use the NY Babe Blurring Primer. I think I bought it for 149 rupees. So I've just taken a pea-sized amount, and then I'm just going to heat it in my fingers, and I'm just going to apply. Now I'm going to start with my eyes, and for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'm just going to take the concealer and just apply over my eyelids. Then I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it. I have applied only a little amount of the concealer, and so there's like some dark discolorations seeping through. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little more. And blend it out again. Before this creases, I'm going to take the DAZZLER EYETEX Compact Powder and I'm just going to set it. So I'm using the powder puff that comes with it, and I'm just gently dabbing it. Oh my god guys, it's raining heavily out here. Like for 4 to 5 days it's continuous rain, and there's no lighting also, and it's very difficult. Next I'm going to take the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush, and this is in the shade Pink. And then I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to take the product, tap out the excess, and I'm going to apply on my crease. And I'm going to blend it out towards my eyelid. So I'm going to make sure that there is more pigmentation over the crease, and as I blend outward, it reduces. Did you guys see the House of Mysteries, the Burari case in Netflix? If you haven't seen it, you guys should see it, because I think more than anything it shows that mental health is very important. Like when I saw it, I was really sad, because for those who haven't seen it, you should see it. For those who have seen it, you must be understanding what I'm telling you, because there's such a stigma in India about mental health, and there is still a stigma in India about mental health. Like people are just starting to realize it is an issue. And the sad thing is, because of one person, I mean it is his disease condition, but because of one person, like so many lives were lost. I think it is really important to see that film and really understand that mental health is not a joke. It is actually a serious thing, and it can happen to anybody, anywhere, anytime. It is not like you are immune to it. So we all should be aware about that. We should teach people about that. If you have kids or relatives or someone who you feel is not in a really comfortable position, who's not really acting well, or who's acting strange, you should actually talk to them. Like talking helps a lot. So you should actually do that. I mean, irrespective of who it is, if it's your friend, if it's your relatives, your uncles and everything, you should actually take into consideration their health. Next, I'm going to use the NY Babe Blinking Eyeshadow in the shade Carnage Hall. As you can see, it is like a pinkish peach shade. I'm going to take a flat brush and apply it in the outer corner. This has shimmer particles in it, so you have to like apply 3 to 4 times to get that color payoff. Next I'm going to take the same shade and apply in the inner corner, like in the inner half. So this is like a halo eyeshadow I'm trying to do. So I have gone like 3 to 4 times into the eyeshadow palette to get my desired color payoff. Next I'm going to use the NY Babe Blinking Eyeshadow in the shade Seagram 4. So this is like a beautiful goldish yellow color. So I'm going to use the same flat brush that I used for the pink color and apply in the center of my eyes. You can even use your fingers for this. You don't need the brush. Next, I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and then just going to blend out the edges. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the EYETEX DAZZLER eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade number black. So I'm just going to take a spoolie and I'm just going to brush my hair upwards. Then I'm just going to fill in the sparse area. So this is like a highly pigmented pencil, so I'm just like slightly touching it. Next, I'm going to use the Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade number 04 Warm Nude. Dot it over my face. And using the same beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to use the same Fizz Beauty liquid concealer, and this is in the shade 04. I forgot to mention it before. So I'm just going to apply the inner corners, outer corner. Just highlight certain areas. I'm going to use the same compact powder and apply it over the areas where I have applied the concealer. This is the Inside 2-in-1 Duo Stick. So this has a contour on one end and a highlighter on one side. I think it is in the shade 01 Chocolate. I am not sure about that. Yes, it is in the shade 01. And I'm just going to apply on the sides of my forehead and my cheekbone, on my jawline, and also the sides of my nose. I'm using a beauty blender. I'm just going to blend it all out. take a flat brush and I'm going to take the Blue Heaven blush and apply over my lower lashes. Sorry, my lower eyelid. Next, I'm going to take that pink color, that peachy pink color, and just apply it in the lower corner. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take the golden yellow color and apply it. Then I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Diamond blush and use it as a blush. I'm going to line my lips, and for that I'm using the ADS lip liner. I'm going to take the Darling Isabel lipstick in the shade 23 Duchess Luminous Carnation, which is a really great name, I guess. And I'm going to apply. I'm always forgetting to complete my eyes, and now for the eyeliner I'm using the EYETEX liquid eye. So I apply my falsies, and the falsies I apply in a slightly slanting way, like not straight but like slightly on the slanting side, so it will give like sort of a lifted look. So next I'm going to use a highlighter from the Inside 2-in-1 Duo Stick, and this is like in a champagne color, and I'm just gently going to dab the product. I'm going to take the beauty blender and I'm just going to blend everything out so it will look seamless. So if you made it to the end of the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It will help with the growth of my channel. And also please do take care of your health, both physical, mental, social, every aspect of health. Do take care of it. Talk to somebody if you need help. And until we meet the next time, love you all.